to dragon fruit. Have the flower, many flower. Here is the bloom flower here. Very beautiful flower. And here also have the flower, the bloom flower here. My dragon fruit now start to develop, but some fruit are fall down. So like the fruit, the developing is not well. There are some ants, black ant and red ant, attack on the fruit, and the ants like to live in this hole here, this hole, and the new flower come out over there. This is the fruit that are developed and that one is the big fruit, develop well and will be ripe soon. That one. And this fruit are developed well also, will be harvest soon. Very fresh. Dragon fruit plants are ripe. This is the first fruit, ripe early, and this is the second fruit here. This fruit is developed, is not so well, and I will harvest this ripe fruit first. All together today. This is my second dragon fruit. It's ripe too. Now my dragon fruit is ripe, and I will harvest it today. Dragon fruit is big and ripe. I harvest it now. The big fruit. This is the third fruit of my dragon fruit I harvest. I harvest 2 dragon fruit on the top. Two dragon fruit. After harvesting the dragon fruit plant, now I got 4 fruit are ripe here. Look very beautiful and very fresh. Thank you for watching my gardening video. Consider subscribe for more video. Bye. See you soon.